Welcome to our third tutorial for this series. Before we start, I want you to create an AWS account so that we can use their services. So to do that, search on Google AWS, then you will be redirected to this page. Then click this link, create an AWS account. And after that, click at the top right, click create an AWS account. Then I want you to um, fill out this form and provide your information. For me, I will use my this email address. Then I will click verify email address. Then it will send an OTP code to my email. So this is the OTP code that I have received. I will type it here. After that, I will click the verify button. But we will not be having a complete tutorial on how to sign up. It should be familiar to you because that's the generic uh, registration form. I think one of the note that I will provide or information that I will give you is you have to have your own debit card or credit card. But we will not be using that because we will have or we will use or leverage the free tier on AWS. So finish your sign up, then I will see you on our next tutorial. Thank you.